Welcome. In this lesson, I want to introduce you to our ChatGPT quick reference guide with prompts. This is a free Notion reference guide that you can duplicate and save, and this is what we'll use throughout the course. So all the prompts that we'll be using, everything that I'll be referencing, all could be found in this one cheat sheet. So this is your companion with the course. Let's go over how to use it. At the very top, we have table of contents. So you can click on any one of these and they're hyperlinks. They will take you directly to that page or to that section. So you have all our sections here, or all our chapters. And then you can open by clicking this little arrow, and that will untoggle and unhide all the information below it. For example, here's a step-by-step instruction for how to create a free Notion account, and it's hidden by that little toggle arrow. So you can access all the prompts and everything by hitting this little toggle arrow. Then, if you want to save this and duplicate this to your own Notion account, we highly recommend create a free Notion account. It's completely free, and you can use this. You're going to click this duplicate button right here, and then when you click that, I highly recommend log in first, and then when you click that, that will get saved to your own Notion workspace. And then you can edit, you can add, you can make your own notes. Highly recommend that for that. And so that is the reference guide, where basically you have your table of contents. You can hide or unhide all the different sections by clicking the arrows. And then you can duplicate it by clicking the duplicate button. Be sure you're logged in first to save it to your own workspace. So this is what we'll reference throughout the course. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.